Good morning to my module leader. In front of you, this is Masuma Pauline. I am a student of September intake 2021. My student ID is 200722260. My research title is Impact of Online Shopping Patterns on the Future of the Traditional Retail Stores. Now I would like to talk about the introduction of my research. Purchasing product and service over various online shopping platforms have successfully gained immense popularity in the present days. Online retailing, which is e-commerce, enables consumer to buy any type of product or service from e-commerce site. Retail is a way of selling these goods and services over various online and offline platforms. Uh, Now I would like to talk about the background of my presentation. Online marketing have a large market share in the retail industry. About here we can see the bar graph. We can see that about 5.2 billion visitors have been observed in the online retail websites according to Statista 2022. Amazon and Alibaba are the leading retail stores in the global platform. In the background too, online shoppings and technological innovations are attracting the global stakeholders. Monthly visit of the online purchasers stood at 22 billion in 2020 first quarter. It is expected that the global retail sales will increase 24.5% by 2025, according to Statista 2022. I want to move on the what is the aim and objective of my research. The aim of this research is to describe the impact of online shopping patterns on traditional retail shops in future. The objectives of the research paper are to analyze the impact of online shopping patterns on the future of the retail industry, to observe the effect of online shoppings on the local business, and my third point is to determine the benefit of the online platform on the traditional retail business. Here is the tools for successful online retail shop. First one is quick search, quick connect, and quick view, quick payment, quick delivery, quick refund, and quick app. These all are the things to start up a online business. Research question. Here is my research question. Research question number 1. What is the impact of online shopping patterns on the future of retail industry as a whole? Question number 2. What are the effects of online shopping on local retail business? And my third question is, what are the benefits of the online platform on the traditional retail business? Now I would like to describe the data collection method, how I have collected all data. In the data collection method can be categorized in two parts. One is following the primary method and other following the secondary methods. It was not possible to collect primary data from survey of interview participants because of the COVID restriction. The researcher had to adhere to the concept of secondary data collection method to collect the requirement number of data be analyzed. Most of the data has been collected from the online platform. In the data collection method 2, part 2, we can see that secondary qualitative data has been collected from the authentic source. Thematic analysis has been done after the coding in specific terms. Data has been collected from Google Scholar, ProQuest, and authentic online source related to the online shopping retail industry. Data analysis and findings. We can see that as per the survey and interview findings of Al-Hawari et al. In 2021, more than 12% of the consumer prefer to buy from online stores. In the pie chart, you can see blue is supermarket, local corner shops are red, and uh, online is green. So 12% of the consumer prefer to buy from online retail stores. Another 35.1% still prefer to buy from the offline retail stores. This implies that consumers are shifting their preference from offline to online platform. It would take more time to go full-fledged online retailing. Data and therefore, the popularity of the retailing increased slowly but steadily. In the part 4, data analysis and findings, the unprecedented COVID-19 pandemic has boosted the concept of online shopping rather than buying from offline stores. Dondu and Gustafsson in 2020. Due to the employee adjustment and well-being of the era of COVID-19, it becomes necessary to conduct online retail business. Despite negative impact, the pandemic offers significant opportunity for retail companies. Data analysis and findings. As per the research paper by Duarte et al., according to 2018, online buyers of various retail products find it more satisfactory to buy from online platform when compared to conventional offline stores because various things can be seen and there is no chance to standing in the queue, and there is no tension for time wasting. You can see your product whenever you want of your free time. Now I would like to discuss in the second option. Due to the various convenience such as access, search, evaluation, transaction, and possession, buyers are preferring online retail stores. As stated by Gawankar et al. 2020, data-driven technology integration can be helpful for retailers to predict future possibilities or challenges in the retail sectors. This can be also helpful to adjust the business model as per the change in the business environment, such as fight challenges posed by pandemic like the ongoing COVID-19. Data analysis and findings. As stated by Gupta et al. 2021, the advancement in digital technology has largely empowered the millennial generation. They are once preparing to buy from online platform rather than the old generation. You can see the picture on age distribution of online shoppers. Melanies is 30%, Gary is 34%, boomers are 31%, and 70 plus are 5%. Old persons are not using the online shopping platform because they love to shop product from offline local stores. The concept of social shoppings and brand loyalty are the two most significant factors driving millennials to buy from the online retail platform. In the part 7, data analysis and findings, 65% of the consumers are attracted to online shopping of time, of cost effectiveness. Because of time and cost effectiveness, the customers do not have to stand in the long queue is one of the benefit. The retailers can inform the customers via different online channels. So it reduces the panic of waiting. Benefits of online shoppings. There has a lot of benefit by doing shopping by online. 70% of the retail websites can be affirmed with smartphone. It helps to reach the target customer, which is necessary to enhance the business. It gives the opportunity to productivity and profit margin increase. Now I would like to talk about my research conclusion. In conclusion, the concept of online shopping has opened various doors for competitively small retailers who find it difficult to open offline stores. There is no need to book any outlet to show up your product. Online stores can be opened anywhere and sell it by home delivery. Most retail owners are completely aware of benefit and negative consequences of online retail business. Integration of IT and data-driven technology will change the future of retailing in the UK. My recommendation is a great number of consumers who shifted their preference from buying offline to online are turning into loyal customers. According to Forbes 2022, understanding the needs and demands of target customers on online platforms could enhance the business profitability by utilizing an analytical tool such as point of sales. Retail owners can identify the purchasing behaviors of target customers as well as their preferences. After the integration of digital technology, companies must find their unique selling propositions, which makes them different. Furthermore, simplifying customers' experience means a simple user interface of the online shopping platform is much needed for enhanced customer experience. Lastly, focusing on the customer service via chat and call is important is as 84% of customers want better consumer care service from business owners. Reflection. If I would have focused on a specific real company rather than conducting generalized research, it could have resulted in much better outcomes. As I mentioned earlier, I had to collect secondary data due to COVID-19 restriction, which lowered the quality of gathered data. With the help of both primary and secondary data, it would be much easier to develop the proper analysis and finding section. Lastly, I must highlight that I did not share and swipe ideas to enhance the research paper. Here is all the references I have collected data from this source. You can see. Thank you very much for your time. Have a nice day. Bye.